Today, folks, big tech is taking notice. We're seeing Cisco, HP, and New York Life choose this tiny marketing tech stock to expand their reach. The company we're discussing is Banzai International, trading on the NASDAQ under BNZI, currently seeing triple-digit revenue growth, and that revenue value is going beyond their current market cap value, and I think it's worth discussing. Now, this video is disseminated on behalf of Banzai. It's part of sponsored content, as I leave the disclaimers in the description below. This does not constitute financial advice, rather representing opinions of my own for entertainment purposes, but this is a very intriguing story. Now, Banzai is basically the AI-powered SaaS platform for marketing. Banzai develops AI-powered marketing solutions that make our customers' lives 10x faster and easier. And if you take a look, they have over 140,000 customers that are currently using their products. And we're not talking about small caps here, the likes of Adobe, United Health Group, a New York Blood Center, even Royal Bank is part of this list. This company has spent a long time building up a foundation and proving out that their tools actually have real value. So let's talk about the tools themselves, because basically they're looking to transform cold leads into engaged buyers. Get your content in front of your target audience and leverage deep analytics and insights to drive market decisions. With real world results from marketers like 60% conversion rates, 3x webinar conversions, and 15% increased attendance rates. And it's really intriguing because we look at some of the marketing tools with curating, grow your brand effortlessly, save hours on content creation, enjoy tailored newsletters, and watch your brand flourish. They have reach with content engagement from your ICP, because identifying your target audience is easy, but reaching them is hard. They've got Demio, prove webinar success, create engaging on-demand and live video experience with webinar analytics that unlock insights. Boost, expand audience reach and event registrations through automated social proof and word of mouth. Your registrants become your promoters, amplifying your message and boosting your results. They've got Open Reel, video creation and management made easy. Choose your brand template, record and watch your video be built in real time. They've got, Create Studio with produce high quality animated videos. They've also got Vibrance, transform static images into dynamic visuals. Twinkle, enhance video content with royalty free audio. Vidello, comprehensive 3-in-1 video marketing and management. I mean, the list of the suite of tools that they're providing to customers is quite incredible. And just taking a look at it from the revenue front, they're doing 9.3 million for the 9-month ending. That ballooned up from 3.2 million just the year prior, and they're locking in gross profits of 7.6 million. Now, the company is still expanding here dramatically, and they're putting a lot behind the business. We can see they're still operating at an expanded loss of 14 million, but we're going to get a better understanding as I want to read through the actual earnings report that drove up the 163% revenue growth for the third quarter. That ballooned up to $2.8 million. If we scroll down here, guys, I just want to read the highlighted aspects from the CEO, because it gives a lot of insight into what's going on with the company. Now, the third quarter was highlighted the success of strategic priorities, including revenue growth, a strengthened balance sheet combined with debt reduction, new leadership, and an AI acquisition. And this is coming from Joe Davey, the CEO of Banzai. As we move into our next phase of growth, our Vidello and Open Reel businesses, basically in strong performance for our products, has validated our strategy with revenue of 2.8 million in the quarter, a 163% improvement from the prior year. Our growth was fueled by a strong focus on mid-market and enterprise customers, along with continued investments in the Reach product through re-engineering and enhanced sales initiatives. Altogether, we now serve more than 140,000 customers. Through 2025, we have made substantial improvements to our balance sheet and streamlined our cost structure, positioning the company for long-term sustainable profitability. Most recently, we executed a payoff and debt conversion agreement with senior debt holders for the remaining principal balance of its outstanding senior secured debt, totaling approximately 4.8 million. The decision by senior debt holders to convert into equity reflects a strong vote of confidence in Banzai's vision and trajectory. In September, we paid off approximately 10.7 million of outstanding debt obligations year to date through August 31st, 2025, and 32.7 million since September 2024. As we continue to execute on our repayment ahead of schedule, we have seen meaningful improvements to both net income and shareholder equity. Through the third quarter, we accomplished a 28.2 million year-over-year improvement in stockholder equity to a positive 5.4 million as of September 30th, 2025. Also in September, we secured new debt financing of up to 11 million. In October, an institutional investor increased its direct equity stake to 18.7% following the exercise of warrants, another vote of confidence. We also implemented a strategic initiative that we expect will enable us to significantly improve net income, substantially extend our cash runway, and invest in growth. Taken together, we are making significant progress toward these goals and expect overall improvement in net income when fully implemented while maintaining our growth outlook. They also recently announced their newest acquisition of Super Blocks, a platform that allows marketers to easily create and host websites, landing pages, and simple web applications using conversational AI. Basically, building well-designed, functional landing pages and websites have traditionally required teams to use rigid templates-based site builders, or basically possesses extensive web development experience. Super Blocks, an AI agent, builds beautiful brand-compliant web assets quickly for businesses and marketers and creators. This acquisition advances our vision of building the AI platform for marketing and adds to our growing AI-powered SaaS platform. Basically have solutions that make our customers' lives 10x faster. I think these were like the overall operational updates. Stocks like this become just incredibly intriguing when they start off in these brand new trajectories that are driving extensive growth that goes well beyond, the current value of the stock. Now, they've got a lot of work to do, keep that in mind, but we're talking about 163% year over year revenue growth. Again, 2.8 million, decreasing the debt by 9.5 million. We're talking about 5.4 million, in shareholder equity, a 72% quarter over quarter growth. Q3 2025 gross margins at 82%. It's really defined for SaaS software companies. So I feel like Banzai is a stock worth keeping an eye on if you're interested in SaaS business models that do have these incredible margins. A lot to work with here, and again, something I'm going to add to my watch list. But I'll pass that question off to you. What do you think about Banzai International in that comment section below? And consider subscribing as news catalysts come down the wire. We'll keep our eye on it here. But as always, I look forward to catching you in the next one.